A sheet of plywood, a ladder, or even a toolbox sliding forward under hard braking. Your Tacoma's rear window has no idea what's coming. A headache rack puts a barrier between your cab and your cargo before something expensive becomes something catastrophic. 5 solid options here. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5 with Westin. Extruded aluminum frame with a punched aluminum screen. Lightweight enough that you won't feel it hauling. Strong enough to actually stop something from coming through. The unique bolt-on channel system lets you add accessories over time. Lights, beacons, tie-down points, without replacing the whole rack. Ladder side load brackets come standard. No drilling on most applications, installs using factory holes. 5-year warranty, which is the strongest coverage on this list by a solid margin. At number 4, the Backrack Original. For the owners who want protection without the truck looking like it belongs on a job site. Low-profile open design mounts to the stake pockets at the front of the bed, keeping the cab clean and the profile low enough to garage park without measuring twice. Compatible with most tonneau covers so you don't have to choose between a rack and a bed cover. Reinforced steel, black powder coat, installs without drilling on most applications. 1-year workmanship warranty. Number 3, Backrack's Safety Rack, the heavy-duty sibling of the original. Where the original is open and low profile, this one gives you full rear window coverage through a 2-inch robotically welded wire screen made from 3/16-inch cold-rolled steel. You can see through it clearly, tie cargo to it directly, and it's rigid enough that nothing gets through in a sudden stop. Taller profile also gives extra clearance for hauling longer cargo over the cab. Tonneau cover compatible on select models. 1-year warranty. One heads up, don't forget to pick mounting kit. At number 2, Aries Switchback, the one built for Tacoma owners who want their truck to actually look like a build rather than a contractor's fleet vehicle. All aluminum construction, rust-proof by nature, and finished in carbide black powder coat for corrosion resistance on top of that. The slotted top edge accepts LED light bars in whatever configuration you want. 3 10-inch bars are recommended. The center section removes entirely for rear window access without pulling the whole rack. Angular design, vehicle-specific contours. Everything needed for mounting is included. And the top spot goes to the AA-Racks X35 with cab protective screen, the most flexible option on this list. The top crossbar adjusts from 51 to 71 inches wide, covering basically every Tacoma bed width configuration without modification. The protective wire screen is fully removable when you don't need it, and every intersection of wire is welded. No rattling at highway speed, which is something cheaper racks usually can't claim. Rope hooks on all 4 uprights give you serious tie-down options. Commercial-grade steel, powder-coated black, no-nonsense build. 5 headache racks for your Toyota Tacoma. From a low-profile stake pocket mount that keeps things looking clean to a full steel wire screen that actually stops cargo in its tracks. Every style and use case is covered. All the links are in the video description. Go find the one that fits your setup. If this helped, subscribe. More Tacoma content is on the way.